is the mini one from the park, but it's only 14. These are cute too. Oh, look at this suitcase, Mom. It's $80. Yeah. Oh, they have some earbands too. It's all stitched. I think you'd want to be over here. I guess, yeah, I thought it would be. I think because we're so spoiled with ours, we just assumed it would be bigger. But then, I guess I just assumed this would be a much bigger Primark because it's in Orlando, but it's really not that big. We have one in Buffalo, but we wanted to still come. So the Disney section is still cute, but I guess I was expecting it to be a little more. Oh, those are cute with the little, I actually really like this. I don't know if I'd like the fanny pack. That's cute. It's only $14, so I think I'm gonna get this one. Well, that's cute, and they have the wallet. My mom found that one, of course. These are actually really cute. Definitely think I needed this one. Very rarely do you find Aurora on anything. And these I think are 13. So I'm gonna get one of those. That's really cute. That's a super huge tote. It's only 12 bucks, but that's really cute. It's a canvas tote. Definitely don't need another tote. I cannot wear flat sneakers like these, but they are really cute. And then maybe if you put like some bows in here and some of those charms from Ever After, I think these would be really cute. Cheeks light up. How cute. Oh my gosh, you push the button. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but her little cheeks light up. Oh, his cheeks light up too. That's so cute. Lots of hoodies, but no one needs a hoodie in Florida. Oh, that one's really nice. It's very soft. And then this pink one's really, really cute. And that one's 28. Really soft though. Well, at $37 or $38, that was the cheapest Primark trip ever. My mother ended up with this jacket. She thinks she's getting a Mustang. Wasn't probably worth the 30-minute drive from Saratoga to here because our Buffalo Primark is actually better. I mean, in terms of Disney stuff, but if you're coming here for like apparel, regular everyday things, then that's totally fine. Oh, she wants to show you. We didn't really get that much.
I got, because I'm getting a convertible, and that's official. $75 in Primark. This is an official coat. It's like 400 bucks. I would definitely go get it if I was y'all.
Came here for Disney, but she came here for Ford. All right. I still think it's not maybe the best part of town. So if you're a tourist and you're coming down here, you might want to be a little careful. There was heavy security at the front door. And granted, Buffalo's not the best store either. The Galleria Mall is known for a lot of riffraff and things that happen, but just, I don't know this area. It just wasn't worth it. I'm glad I got the Stony Clover stuff. Well, you guys didn't see because I actually went to Character Warehouse before this and I got some Stony Clover stuff, which I will show at the end of the video so you can see my whole haul from today. I'm just kind of trying to do some stuff that's new. So we are going to JoJo's for dinner. We're gonna go pick up my dad at the golf course. I'm gonna give you a little tour of Magnolia when we get there. And then, yeah, this has just been a kind of kick around day, doing new things, kind of acting like locals, which we are not. Okay, we're gonna go pick up my dad. We are entering Shades of Green. This is actually for our military, so they have, the military runs this resort essentially, but they get their military discount, and it's very pretty. And so the Magnolia Golf Course and the Palms Golf Course are also here. So we're gonna go in and pick him up because he was golfing. When you come in, you can just go to the bag drop. You'll see the sign that says Disney's Magnolia Palm and Oak Trail Golf Course. The Oak Trail Golf Course is a walking golf course. This is a championship golf course that my dad was playing on today. We were here earlier today and I got some fun stuff, which I will show you at the end of the vlog. But this is the only place where you can see the Mickey golf cart. And the only person that was ever allowed to actually drive it was Arnold Palmer. That's what the guys were telling us. We're gonna go out back and wait for Dad. And they have the pro shop with a little Minnie's boutique. How was your golfing? Yeah? You didn't golf well? What is going on with you? Down to the point, we're gonna go eat at JoJo's ShakeBAR, and there's an upside down building outside of the parking ramp. So this, yeah, it does remind me of Tennessee, for sure. Isn't that weird? I think it's one of those like novelty museums. Thanks, Dad. Cool. We had a reservation, but I don't think it's busy because it is in the convention area, so I feel like you can just walk in if there's no active convention. But it's always good to have a reservation. We did want an open table.
Here, JoJo's bar.
Okay, what's the taste test? Ooh, I want to take a bite of that.
Even the name of the JoJo name.
Good? It's ice cream, nothing special. So they got the Tower of Onion Rings. How is it? Good? How is it? Good?
Hot.
Hot.
Hot? Thank you.
Tell you what, it's quick.
Oh, that's a double?
Thank you.
Well, they all come that way. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this whole little area is really just eating. It's not really like a shopping district. There's a few little things. Honestly, I think it's a good idea for anyone who's coming here for a convention. However, I don't know. I wouldn't make a big deal to come here from Disney. And I've seen this on other people's vlogs, and that's why I wanted to come and try it for myself.
Wait. -30.
Of course it is. very niche.
Yeah.
There's, you know what this don't they have this in, no, in Tennessee. When we were in Tennessee in Margaritaville. My sister would go nuts in here. Okay, it's been a full day and we just got back to the room. We were in celebration. We wanted to kind of just see where the Disney Imagineers lived, and let me tell you, it was so cute. I didn't vlog anything just because I feel like it's more, you know, like a real area, like people are living there, so I didn't feel comfortable vlogging, but I can tell you it was really cute. So anyhow, I just wanted to touch on a few things. Primark, don't believe everything you ever watch on vlogs or hear people say, because you always have to see things for yourself. And today was kind of one of those things. I want to see some stuff for myself because people are always talking about Primark, always talking about that JoJo's, always talking about Celebration. And the honest to God truth is, yeah, the JoJo's was okay, but I wouldn't say travel out of your way 30 minutes just to go there for some exotic milkshake that now they make in Disney Springs. I forget the name of it. It was okay. It's more like a convention tourist area. It's not anything special, but if you are in that area and you want to go down there, certainly go. It wasn't horrible, but it wasn't worth the 30-minute drive in my personal opinion. Primark was such a bust. Oh my gosh, it was such a bust. We have a Primark in Buffalo. Honestly, I've taken you guys there a few years ago. I just feel like it's a nicer store. It's bigger. Again, not everything is always what it seems. We did stop at Character Warehouse, and I do want to show you what I snagged there. So I have a lot in here. Stony Clover. I'm so excited I got a pochette. And it's small, don't mind me, I just got back, threw my pajamas on. It's a pochette. I'm obsessed with pochettes. So I wanted to get this little one because Small World is so special to me because it's the first ride that I remember at Walt Disney World with my grandfather. And then when I went back on with my dad when I was an adult, it hit all those core memories. So I got this. It was $89.99. Regularly, I want to say these are like $170, $180-ish. So I was teetering between this and the extra large crossbody, but it just wasn't me. My mom even said, she's like, get this one. You collect them and it's more you. So I got this one. Really happy I did. Also got the Disneyland hat and the Walt Disney World hat. These were $19.99 on sale. I personally loved it. So we'll just wear this for the duration of the video. All right, my Primark haul. I think this was actually kind of cute. This was $14. I did really like this because I have an outfit that I want to wear with this. My aunt bought me a bubble bar bracelet that has the fab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on it. So I definitely want to, pair it with this. Which I think this is a sleeve shirt from Primark, but I didn't care. I needed something with Aurora. And it was so classic, and it's gonna go perfect with my new little Aurora Bath & Body charms. It was only $13. I mean, it is a little oversized, but I can wear it with leggings, so that's totally fair. Loved it, and it says literally. Literally. And then I got my sister this little Pluto keychain. Something it's Disney related. I did throw in some of the golf course footage. I'm starting my golf journey. I did start it last year, but I didn't. I'm serious now because now I have a Daisy hat. Because if you can give me Disney merch, then I will pick up a new hobby. Just because we do get our annual pass discount there, so I got these. They kind of remind me of the New Balances that I wear. So super comfortable. Now I can wear some proper shoes when I'm out. A Disney glove. I got a Mickey glove. And then the cast member was so sweet. He actually gave me one of these, but I got the glove too. So he said you need it for your first being official. So I got my little glove. Give me a little Michael Jackson moment. So while we were in celebration, we went to Wolfgang. Needed to get something for Ophelia. Could you just die at how cute this is? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. She's gonna get little extra patches on it. I'm gonna bedazzle it. I'm gonna make it super cute. So she was supposed to be on this trip, but she couldn't make it. So we'll put that these. I got all 3 of my little girls some little snackies. So I got those. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my haul. I didn't do too bad. I did get other stuff this trip, but I'm not gonna put it in here. But hold on, I have to do a blind box. If you know, you know. These are at Disney Springs now, and anyhow, I will just open this. My mom bought it. She said I can open it. I really want Donald first, Pluto second, Goofy third. So here's hoping. Sound. Okay. It feels really big. It better not be the mystery one because I really don't want a mystery one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, another daisy! But do you have a daisy already? So my mom doesn't have a daisy already, so but I do have my daisy. Oh, I want to have my daisy hat on. She did tell me to put my daisy hat on while I was doing this, so that would have been way cooler if I did. So anyhow, if you followed this long, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and do all the things. And tomorrow we are going to Winter Garden. We're gonna go check out some, just some local areas, see what's happening. Hopefully I'll have something to vlog. So please, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.